Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany if you guys are new. In this video, I'm going to be doing a unboxing of this Beetles Poly Gel kit that I got from Amazon. It will be listed in the description below if you guys want to purchase it for yourself. So I normally do acrylic nails, but I decided that I was going to go ahead and try out polygel. And in my next video, I will show you guys my experience on trying out polygel. So I will also leave everything that came in this kit listed in the description below. And I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Like this video, leave a comment down below, and make sure that you guys subscribe to the channel. Okay, so overall, I think this is a pretty decent kit for only paying, I believe I paid like $40 for it. So you'll get everything that you need in order to do a polygel set. You get all of those different polygels, and then the UV light, the spatula, the brush, and like the slip stuff, and then the top coat. So I think it's pretty good for the price, and you also get a nail file. However, the cord that comes for the UV light is pretty short, so I definitely had to use another. I think they take like just Android chargers, so I had to get a longer cord. But other than that, it was, it's a pretty good kit, and I definitely would recommend it if you are a beginner or if you want to try out polygel. Once again, thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next video.